wanted people, sure know how to trick.
Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinal TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. Today I want us to discuss a few things. I want us to talk about principles, how to make money by following these principles. Sometimes people will say this gentleman is talking about money on this channel all the time. So the reason why I want to talk about this is sometimes I got followers who really want to know how to create wealth, how to make money. For one reason or the other, they struggle with this, and money is something that nobody teaches to us about it. Nobody teach how to make money, how to earn an income, stuff like that, online or at a college or university. So I thought to discuss with you or show you things, principle one, a lay person can follow, a layman can do to make money. Okay, and once you understand this principle and following this, you will see your life transform. So there's few things I want us to discuss here. Principle is really about understanding the basic pattern, what you need to do, in order to make money. Understand that what you focus expand. When you talk about money, you have opportunity to think outside the box, think of what you need to do in order to create that income or the type of income you want. The most important thing, the first thing for you to do, the principle to follow in terms of making money, is really understanding where your money is coming from, where do you get your income. So it's understanding your income stream, understanding the demand and service, understanding that for you to make money, you need to provide service for others. You need to serve someone, okay, for you to earn an income. It's pretty much like you need to give something to somebody, and for you to expect a reward in return. So this is actually the first thing you need to understand. To make money, you need to deliver service to others, then for you to expect a reward or a return. Okay, these are the things you need to understand. And sometimes people struggle, saying that they struggle with the money, or they are not good with the money, or they are struggling to make ends meet. But it's really about understanding that what value are you providing for others, what problem are you solving for others, because you need to solve problems for others for you to expect something reward. And that reward is actually how you can get an income, how you can charge, okay, how you to make money. So this principle is really about how to what the basic things you need to do and for you to expect a reward. Okay, so I got things I want us to discuss. The things you need to understand is really about making sure that you are first thing you need to do is to create value. You need to create value for others. Yes, solve problem for others. And this is actually what you need to do. The first principle you need to do is to making sure that you are creating value for others. It's not about you, but for you to make money, the principle to follow is really about providing value for others, solve problem for others. This is actually what you need to do to make money. You can't make money just being lazy, being at home all the time, but you need to think outside the box. It's your mindset. What value are you creating? What problem are you solving for others? Are you using your skills for benefit of others? Are you showing your skill for others to benefit from it. So the first thing you need to think about when you talk about making money is really this endeavor I'm embarking now. What value would someone else derive from this? How long is this product I'm creating? How long in this service I'm creating or this service I'm providing, how long is it gonna last? Is it something that will last in perpetuity, or something that you need to adapt, or something that you need to modernize as time goes on? So it's the first thing really, it's about creating value for others. It's actually what one needs to do to make money. Okay, so you need to understand that you need to create value for others. Okay, and the other thing I want us to talk about is really skill upgrade. For you to make money, you need to upgrade your skills. Okay, one way or the other, either technical skills, intellectual skills, any skills, communication skills. There's so many things. You just need to find in you the talent, the God-given talent in you, and use it. Upgrade that your talent, upgrade that your skills, and show that your skills with others. So it's really about the principle you need to follow to make money is upgrade your skills. If there's a particular thing you want to know, or if there's a particular skill you can learn particular skills and put yourself out there and show that your skill with others. You can upgrade yourself, upgrading your skills from someone that work in different environment, then you go and retrain. It's about upgrading your skill. This is actually what you need to do. Okay, it's one of the principles you need to do, okay, to make money. Upgrade your skills and use your skills and monetize it, or show that your skills for others. It's actually what you need to do. You need to create value, solve problem for others. An entrepreneur is someone that solve problem for others and charge for it. So ways to make money is actually by creating value, upgrade your skills. Then when you upgrade your skills, you have opportunity to show that your skill with others. You can monetize that your skill, you can put yourself out there. This is actually what you need to do. So these are the principles you need to follow. Okay, so the other thing I want us to talk about is really understand your income generator. Okay, people generate income in various ways. Okay, people generate income in earned income, people generate income via passive income, people generate income via investment. So it's really about you understanding where are you generating your income from. Robert Kiyosaki will tell you that you need sometimes these things called 4 cash flow quadrant. Some people generate their income as an employee. Okay, some people generate their income as a self-employed. Others generate their income from investment or investor, while other people generate their income as a business person. So you need to understand where are you generating your income. To make money, you need to find where are you generating your income, which income generator that you need to boost or you need to maximize. Being an employee will not help you to being an employee will give you a stepping stone, but ultimately the idea is for you to earn your income, generate your income from business column or investor. You need to generate your income from asset column, okay, instead of employment. We only got 24 hours in a day, so the idea is really for you to generate your income where you will generate your income when you are sleeping. Okay, generate your income from passive income, or generate your income from business area or from investment. Okay, so understand your income generator is something that you need to know, you need to do. So once you understand your income generator, which income generator give you more opportunity, which income generator give you more potential, which income generator give you more value, give you more time to spend time with your family, give you more time to do things you like, give you that will accelerate your wealth creation. So the idea really is about understanding if you are into employee, then you need to move away from it, trying to generate your income from avenue where you will increase your potential. Okay, so the other thing I want us to talk about is really about finding your purpose. So you need to find your purpose in life without knowing where you are going. If you want to make a journey, you need to know where you are going for you to make a particular plan to reach that destination. So in terms of making money, you need to find a purpose, find your aim, the reason why you want to make this money, or how long are you looking to make this money or make this transition. Because you need to find a purpose, find the reason why you are doing what you are doing, for you to hang in there, for you to stay there in the long run. For you to make money, you need to find a purpose in life. This is something that drives you, is something that will push you further for you to go out there with all gun blazing. If you don't have any purpose in life, you won't have that determination to carry on. So these actually things one need to do. Is about making sure that you are finding the purpose in life. Is one of the principles you need to master in order to make money. The other thing I want us to talk about is about overcoming your fears. Overcoming your fear. Fear is something that hinders us to reach our potential. So one need to make sure that you overcome your fear. If you really want to get ahead, if you want to make money, you need to overcome your fear. You need to take calculated risk. Okay, so these are the things I want us to talk about. You need to overcome your fear. Okay, and overcome your fear give you the option for you to take calculated risk. To make money is risky, okay, but you need to make sure that you are taking a calculated risk. This is actually what you need to do. Okay, so it's actually one of the principles you need to master. You need to take calculated risk. Okay, because there's nothing good comes easy. If you want to be a medical doctor, you need to study years with hard work. The same thing is applicable in anything you are doing. It's about making sure that you are putting yourself out there, you are working hard, and also taking the calculated risk is actually what one needs to do. Okay, so I thought to discuss this with you. The other thing I want us to make sure is about investment. You need to master how to invest your money. Investing is the simplest way to create wealth. Investing is the simplest way to make money. So, but you need to understand that you need to work, okay, and use that your earned income and channel it into investing. Channel it in an avenue where your money will maximize, where your money will work a lot hard for you. But all these things right now is something that you need to do, but you need to, there are all these skills, all these principles are linked together. For you to create value, creating value is solving problem for others. And when you solve problem for others, you have opportunity to monetize that your skills. And when people find value in what you are creating, they will pay you. Likewise, overcoming your fear. When you overcome your fear, you have more force. With all gun blazing, when you overcome your fear, you know that outside your fear, once you break that barrier, there's an opportunity out there. There's opportunity once you overcome that fear. Once you overcome that your fear, you know that the other side is success. Once you overcome that your fear, you know that opportunity is out there. Once you overcome that your fear, you know that you can do a lot of things. But is the fear is something that hinders us, is something that holds us back for us to maximize our potential or for us to reach our potential. So you need to break that fear, but also understand where are you generating your income. There is avenue where you generate your income that will boost your income more. Employee will not boost your income. You can only work, we only got 24 hours in a day. So you need to find where to generate your income in multiple sources of income, multiple avenues. These are the things you need to understand. So when you understand your income generator, then that will help you to think outside the box. What can I do to improve? What can I do to increase my income generators? What can I do to get multiple sources of income? Because that is actually what you need to do, because one income is not enough these days. You need to generate your income from multiple platforms, multiple avenues. And also things that will help you is really about finding purpose, the aim you have in life. What is the purpose? What is the aim? Some people like to generate income for legacy. Some people like to generate an income from investor avenue, or from creating a business that will outlive them, that will be a legacy, or generating an income that they will pass to their loved ones. These are the things you need to understand. Understand that you need to find a way to generate your income from business and from investment. The other thing I talk about is about upgrading your skill. When you upgrade your skill, you have opportunity for you to monetize that your skill. You have opportunity to share that your skill with a lot of people, but also taking calculated risks. These are the things that will help you going forward. Okay, so guys, thank you very much indeed. I thought to come in just for a quick one, and thank you. And if you find this value, please do come.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small mind.